Hello everyone, Lev here with the Tips team. Welcome back to the Tips After School Tech Tips channel. Today we will have an overview into the extension tool Google Read and Write. Specifically, we will be doing a deep dive into translation options for students who require this support for their learning. We hope these intuitive tools will help support the diverse language learning needs in your classroom. Before we jump into today's topic, remember to hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. And be sure to swing by each week for a fresh new after-school tech tip video. If you want to connect with the Tips team and explore our team's technology information, processes, and the playlists we offer, be sure to visit us at tips.epsb.ca. Hello, Lev here with the Tips team. Today I'm going to demonstrate translation features within Google Read and Write. Specifically, we will dive into Translate while speaking and Translate while typing. Additionally, you will be shown how to translate individual words and bodies of text on websites as part of today's tutorial. Google Read and Write has been pushed out to all Division devices and be located as an extension in your browser. To enable it, click the purple puzzle piece at the top right-hand corner of your browser. Once clicked, a new interactive menu will appear. The features that will be demoed are great for English language learners or students with language barriers who need a little extra help communicating. So without further ado, let's get started. Once the menu bar appears, be sure you've set your language preferences. So up top here, we're going to select the sideways snowman, followed by Settings. After, simply select Talk and Type. Choose the language you want to speak in and the language you want to translate to. So for example, my native language may be Ukrainian, and if the assignment must be written in English, I will make sure that it's translated to English. So I already have those preset. For those of you who want to explore the language bank that's here, there are a variety of different languages for you to translate into and from. It is important to also note that not all languages are available for translation, but new languages, updates, and features do roll out frequently with this application. So your next step is going to be able to click on the Talk and Type icon, which is located up here. And as you're making your selections, be sure to select Translate while speaking. That's going to be an important tab to click. And then once that's all ready to go, click on the microphone and you're ready to start speaking. Let's demo this out real quick. Добрий день, мене звати Лев Славутич. Вітаю вас на цьому відеоуроці. And there you have it. It says, hello, my name is Lev, and I'm welcoming you to this video lesson. For simplicity and ease, it's important to read at a steady and normal pace. You may find that you have to insert commas and periods and other punctuation manually. As you can see in this example here, it did not do that automatically. Additionally, not all languages follow the same punctuation rules as English, so it's important to be mindful of that. And with that being said, let's move on to the next bit. You can also use this feature in Writing View. To translate while typing, first ensure the feature is turned on. We're going to revisit the sideways snowman, so that's going to be in the top right-hand corner in the same navigation bar for Google Read and Write, followed by Settings. Then we're going to want to scroll down to the Prediction tab here. And it's going to be important that you click the little button at the bottom here called Show Translation Help While Typing. And then that will prompt you to select a language other than English that you want the words translated into. Earlier in this segment, we were working with Ukrainian. Let's try French this time. So I'm going to type in French. I can select that, click the X, and then I'm going to click this little Prediction tab, this little bubble at the top left of that navigation bar. And then you're going to see this pops up, and at the bottom here it indicates we're translating words from French into English. So let me just type in bonjour, and then it shows up as hello at the bottom. I can click it, and it translates the word automatically for you. So you'll see that translation suggested in the prediction window. In our last segment, we're going to explore the actual translation tool of direct text from docs and websites using Google Read and Write. So in Google Docs right now, I have an AI generated story from Google Gemini, The Great NYC Detour, and I have the ability to take this text and translate it into the language of my choice. I can select either individual words or whole text. So over here, I can simply highlight the word that I'd like to translate. I'm going to go up to this translation tool up here and to click it. I have the opportunity to translate it from English into any of the different languages that present over here. The translation shows up just underneath the bar here, and I have a read aloud option there as well. When I'm looking at websites, I also can do the same thing. I can scroll down, as you can see on this website of a Mary Poppins touring show in the UK. I can simply click on the translate button, and I'm going to go from English and I'm going to, let's say, translate this into Arabic. I do not speak Arabic, so I can't attest to the success of the translation, but I can click Translate Full Page. And right before your eyes, it will translate a significant amount of the text, if not all, from English into Arabic, so that Arabic-speaking people can read the text. We can also try this again in a different language, so I can type in French. And then automatically, after I click the button, it'll translate back from Arabic into English, and then again from English into French. And right before your eyes, you have the opportunity to reserve tickets for shows, to read up information on shows in a different language. We hope you found today's After School Tech Tip video helpful. For more information, please contact the TIPS team or visit tips.epsb.ca. To stay updated on upcoming After School Tech Tip videos, subscribe to our channel.